Teroxx community, welcome to our weekly crypto news market update video, and today we will talk about Bitcoin ETFs. So all in all, some of you may know that Grayscale was the first company who did this in a bigger investment size. So we saw Grayscale investment asset under management with a worth of more than 40 billion US dollars and stuff like this. So coming along that more and more companies jumping into the market, and we saw now that the Bitcoin price for the Grayscale ETF was below the market price with a discount of around 6%. And we can see this over here that the Bitcoin price, so to speak, or the Grayscale premium was down in March the whole time. So why is this the case? This is the case because more and more ETFs coming on the market and are taking shares of this market. So we're seeing an ETF in Canada which bought 16,000 Bitcoin since late February. So this could be an indicator that there is more movement in this market, and this of course is a good thing, but a bad thing for Grayscale at the smaller picture. All in all, this should show you that Bitcoin ETFs are coming and that they are coming dominant into this market. And as well, we can talk about Bitcoin ETFs here. So Canada's first BTC fund hopes to launch a Bitcoin ETF. So we can see over here that the CoinShare CEO Jean-Marie Mognetti said that his effort was aimed to making digital assets more accessible to investors of all types. So we're having a new ticker over here, BTCQ.U, and the Canadian dollars ticker BTCQ. And this is quite interesting due to this ETF should be available in the whole country and would give investors a next and easy chance to enter this market. We're now taking about the opinion of Tyler Finkelfors. He is one of the first crypto pioneers. He's having his own cryptocurrency exchange called Gimini, and he said that Bitcoin is part of the risk of a US ban. So he said that I think that the US will never outlaw Bitcoin. There's too much precedent that's been set in the courts. The coin flip order, which was a CFTC, so Commodity Futures Trading Commission, enforcement action, which was upheld in the courts, considered Bitcoin a commodity like gold. So here we can see that the people try to regulate Bitcoin to, to give it a senseful meaning, like is it like gold or is it like dollar? What is Bitcoin? But it's not about to ban Bitcoin. And this is quite interesting, and I think he's totally right. He said Bitcoin is so deep into the society that you can't put it to zero, and this of course is quite good news. And we're taking a look on the market performance of the top 10 tokens. We can see some movements like Polkadot moved up, Ripple and Uniswap moved up, Chainlink back in the top 10, Tether Network could not help these bullish movements, Bitcoin Cash with the night out bottoming and stuff like this. So Bitcoin rested a little while the altcoins were strong. And this we can see the 7-day performance. We can see some spooky movement around here, how you can see with a double market cap support and an unusual uptrend, but all in all you can see an uptrend if you're taking a look on the whole week based on strong altcoins. And if we're taking a look on Bitcoin, we can easily see this. So we're having a top in this market a little below 60k over here, so the market not seems to be very bullish, and we're having a support down here above 56k. We're having a support back from last week, quite at around 55k, and so all in all the market went sideways all the week. If I'm having this line drawn in the middle of this week price movements, we can see that we more or less waved around these line. We're now having a strong uptrend in this market. This is due to we thought this MicroStrategy bought new BTC, and all in all we had a maximum movement of around 5.8% the past week. So this as well underlined that Bitcoin rested a little, but what is quite interesting, we saw good support building around the Easter days. This is quite bullish for the market. We're having a lot of support below us. We built a support at 55k, and so based from this local dip to around 50k, we had a nice out bottoming and built at higher support. So this cool down was quite important for the market to may have a next leg up. Hope you like this video. If you do so, I would love it if you could comment, like, or share this video, and we will hear us next time when it comes to weekly crypto news and market update provided by Teroxx.